approached, came forward and donated generously in making this a success. And at our end also, we have been deeply impacted the real estate industry, and I'm quite sure the government will assist us going forward in overcoming this crisis by giving us whatever benefits we need in terms of cash flows and also demand boosting. I'm quite sure the government will support us. I would like to thank all the members who have contributed to this cause. I'll just mention the names. The South City Group, the Salarpuria Group, the PS Group, the Rungta Group, the Arya Group, the Ideal Group, the Signum Group, the Primark Group, the Diamond Group, Ambuja Neotia, Smita Properties, 90 Degrees, NPR Developers, and Belani Group. And with this, I would like to hand over the proceedings to Sanjukta. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Shri Vinod Kumar, Municipal Commissioner, KMC, to deliver his speech.
Good afternoon. আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত আছেন শ্রী ফিরহাদ হাকিম, মাননীয় চেয়ারপারসন বোর্ড অফ অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটর, মাননীয় আমাদের বোর্ড অফ অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটর মেম্বার উপস্থিত আছেন, বৈষ্ণবদা বোর্ড অফ অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটর মেম্বার, সংঘমিত্রা ঘোষ সেক্রেটারি উইমেন অ্যান্ড চাইল্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট সোশ্যাল ওয়েলফেয়ার, ক্রেডাইয়ের মেম্বারগণ উপস্থিত আছেন, আমার সিএমএচও উপস্থিত আছেন, ওয়ার্ড কোঅর্ডিনেটর্স অ্যান্ড লেডিজ অ্যান্ড জেন্টলম্যান। আজকে আমরা এখানে উপস্থিত হয়েছি ক্রেডাই পক্ষ থেকে অক্সিজেন কনসেন্ট্রেটর হ্যান্ডওভার করা হচ্ছে কেএমসিকে। যখন কোভিডের সেকেন্ড ওয়েভ পিকটা স্টার্ট হলো, সারা ভারতবর্ষে একটা অক্সিজেনের ক্রাইসিস হয়েছিল। somehow we were managing it in West Bengal, কিন্তু তখন আমাদের স্টেট গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে আর কলকাতা কর্পোরেশন থেকে we had issued an appeal to people to come forward and help us with oxygen supply, and I'm very happy to note that CREDAI came forward and they said that amongst their members they will pool and hand over oxygen concentrator to Kolkata Corporation. We got those concentrator and I'm very happy to note যে সেগুলো দিয়ে কলকাতা মানুষদের যে আছে আমরা ওই অক্সিজেনের যা শর্টেজগুলো ছিল সেগুলো আমরা মিট করতে পারলাম। People did not have to face oxygen shortages because of the effort of state government, Kolkata Corporation and organization like CREDAI. আমরা এই যে জায়গাতে আছি এটা উত্তীর্ণ ক্যাম্পাস, উত্তীর্ণতে একটা অক্সিজেন পার্লার আছে অন দ্য গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোর, অ্যান্ড উই অলসো হ্যাভ আ বিগ সেফ হোম আপনাদের পিছনে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, যেখানে সেফ হোমে যে আছে মানুষ যারা মডারেটলি সিমটোমেটিক অর অসিমটোমেটিক, যাদের হয়তো হসপিটালাইজের প্রয়োজন নেই বাট দে নিডেড সাম মেডিকেল কেয়ার, তাদেরকে আমরা এখানে রেখেছি। ফর্চুনেটলি every day the number of COVID positives is falling very rapidly and we are very happy to note, কিন্তু আমি এখানে বলতে চাইছি যে আমাদেরকে কিন্তু we should not let our guards down, সাবধানী রাখতে হবে, আমাদের যে মাস্ক হামেশা রাখতে হবে, সামাজিক দূরত্ব রাখতে হবে, সাবধানী রেখেই যে আছে। আরেকটা জিনিস যেটা আমি আজকে বলতে চাই যে আমরা এখানে কলকাতাতে খুব দ্রুত গতিতে ভ্যাকসিনেশন করছি। we are targeting to vaccinate everybody in coming say 6 months. In this year only we are trying to target everybody. You'll be happy to note যে amongst all metros pace of vaccination কলকাতা থেকে সব থেকে বেশি, এটা খুবই গর্বের বিষয় and we would like to maintain that. সেখানে আপনাদের সকলের সহযোগিতা প্রয়োজন থাকবে, এটা বলে উপস্থিত সকলকে আমার ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি।
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Shri Devashish Kumar, Member, Board of Administrators, Kolkata Municipal Corporation, to deliver his speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected guests on the dais, especially Firhad Hakim, Chairman BOA, and the Honorable Minister of the State. Distinguished guests came from different organizations, CREDAI, Government of West Bengal, and respected guests of the dais. Really, it's a pleasure to be here. First, I congratulate the CREDAI. They are contributing oxygen concentrator to our society. Definitely, it's a battle. COVID is a battle, and only government cannot win this battle individually. Government and the public, it's a joint fight, and so that's why definitely CREDAI played a good role. It is unfortunate when second wave of COVID was came, that time our central government is not concerned about the second wave of COVID. Only they are interested to win the election. That's why we face this problem. So let us hope for the best. I congratulate the KMC authority, KMC chairman, commissioner, all the members. They have done a big role for this vaccination, and already Vinod Kumar said that we are the first metro city among the country who do the vaccination. Is a number, according to the number. Always CREDAI played a good role for the national crisis. This time also they are playing a very good role. Before I conclude, once again I congratulate CREDAI for his contribution. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now take this opportunity and request Shri Firhad Hakim, Honorable Chairman, Board of Administrators, Kolkata Municipal Corporation, and Honorable Housing Minister and Transport Minister, Government of West Bengal, to kindly address us. Please, sir.
My colleague in the dais, Sri Debashish Kumar, Vaishanor Chattopadhyay, Indrani Shah Banerjee, the coordinators Nijamuddin Shams, Devolina Biswas, the Nandu Milani ji, our Sushil Mohta ji, Talapuria ji, and other members of the CREDAI, my Municipal Commissioner Vinod Kumar ji, our Principal Secretary for Women Development and Social Affairs, Sanghamitra Ghosh, and ladies and gentlemen. I thank CREDAI from the core of my heart because I believe that a friend in need is a friend indeed. And CREDAI had acted as a friend to the society and to the Calcutta Corporation. Yes, where we were in deep need of those oxygen concentrator, oxygen cylinders, when every hour there was a huge need of oxygen at different residents, huge need of oxygen in different ambulance, and here in this huge safe home which is run by Calcutta Municipal Corporation. We have here also a oxygen parlor here, where the people who needs oxygen will come here and we will support him with oxygen. And whenever he is serious, we have ambulances here ready, which will take him immediately to the nearby hospital wherever the bed or the ICU is ready for him. So we have fought a battle. Really, we have fought a battle for long few months, where we have succeeded to save some life, and we have not succeeded to save precious lives too. But we have tried wholeheartedly to do that our duty was as a administration of Calcutta Municipal Corporation. Our officers are there. I came here late at night and seen during that COVID pandemic, when it was at the peak, that this officer, he was here to serve the patient, and he didn't bother his life. He took me straight to the ward here and show me what was the arrangement and what was the problem. He didn't bother to risk his life. This is the Calcutta Corporation and that organization that work for the people. Our 17,000 conservancy workers, daily they were cleaning the city, not only the general garbage, but also the COVID wastage of the COVID patient they were cleaning. Everyone, yes, we talk about doctors, we talk about the healthcare workers, but the conservancy worker of Calcutta Corporation also dedicated their life to fight against this COVID. And I am proud to be their leader. I am really proud to be their leader. Today, as Vinod Kumar ji said, that yes, we are number one in vaccination. In the country, we are number one. We have reached 21 lakh vaccination in this city, followed by Bombay, that is 17,000. The KEDAI member always tells me, Bombay is doing this, Bombay is doing that. We earn from Bombay and we cannot earn from Calcutta. But in the case of COVID, we are leading the country and the Bombay is behind us. Secondly, I will let you know that on the case of infection today, among all the metro, Calcutta is number one in case of recent stabilization. Cases are fewer and fewer and fewer. The lowest in Calcutta. Lowest among all the metros is in Calcutta. So we are happy that with your support, with your contribution, with your support and dedication of our KMC team, KMC workers, we have succeeded to achieve this. I again thank every one of us because yes, you have given us concentrator, you have given us oxygen cylinder, and more than that, you have all given us the mental health, mental boost to fight against this COVID. So I thank you everyone, and we are grateful that just now our Runtaji has announced and assured me that for the Mark kitchen which the KMC is running, he will contribute 5 lakh rupees to the KMC. I am again grateful to that because we feed the poor people of the city through the Mark kitchen. And this all we are doing, that is the vision of our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Her vision, for that we have succeeded to fight against this COVID. And I again thank our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her vision, for her leadership, and we are all safe in Bengal with the leadership of our Chief Minister. Thank you very much. We all will stay healthy, safe, and we will keep everyone safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I will now request all our member donors to kindly come up on the stage. I'll read out the names. Mr. Sushil Mohta, Mr. Apurva Saladpuria, Mr. Jugal Khetabat, Mr. Santosh Rungta, Mr. Kushal Rungta. Kindly come up on the stage, sir. Mr. Siddhant Arya, Mr. Nakul Umadsingka, Mr. Rajvardhan Patodia, Mr. Siddharth Pansari, Mr. Vivek Kajaria, Mr. Pramod Dwivedi, Mr. Tushar Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Saurabh Dudhpuria, Mr. Rishi Todi, and of course, so now I request Mr. Nandu Vilani and all our member donors to kindly hand over the concentrator. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will now request everyone to be seated, please. And I will take this opportunity, please, to invite Mr. Sushil Mohta to kindly give the closing remarks.
On behalf of CREDAI, and I take the opportunity, on behalf of all the citizens of Calcutta, rather, I'm taking this liberty to speak on behalf of all the citizens. We really appreciate and congratulate Government of West Bengal, KMC, for handling this COVID crisis as well as this YAS crisis. 120% mark on 100. I must say the preparedness, the way crisis has been handled with the proper human touch, it is unprecedented. It is an example in the entire country, and KMC has played a very, very major role. I know COVID patients who are getting regular call from the government authority or KMC asking their well-being, asking full support in a very, very human way. That's very good. The way cases have come down, all credit goes to the authorities, including KMC. Vaccination drive, fantastic, happening very well, and in a very, very organized manner. There is no rush, there is no crowding, proper COVID protocol being followed. I have seen this because for last 1 month we are seeing this happening in South City where I go every day. So in such an organized manner KMC has organized it. It's commendable. It's commendable. CREDAI has been always with Government of West Bengal and KMC authorities in all the crises. CREDAI has taken number of initiatives, starting from the rejuvenation of Neemtala Ghat way back 7-8 years back, then donating rapid RT-PCR mobile machines couple of years back to the health department for dengue check, and those machines are very good. Then tree plantation post-Amphan, tree plantation in Sundarban areas for the livelihood of Sundarban poor people. Then food grains during the COVID crisis and post-Amphan, donation by our members. Then our members have donated 1 crore rupees last year during this Amphan and COVID-19 crisis. All the members collectively donated 1 crore rupees last year. Then our members are now vaccinating all their workers free of cost. We are vaccinating all our workers, be it in construction site, be it our engineers, be it our staff, or our shopping mall staff, our school staffs, whoever, wherever we are getting, we are trying to vaccinate them. And I'm sure in a couple of months' time, Calcutta will be fully vaccinated. I can assure the government and the authorities that CREDAI is always with you, will be always at your service. We have got so much from the city, we will definitely not hesitate to give back in whatever possible way it is. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. Thanks all. Thanks to the media.